Hey Radha guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 28th July 2024 of the day 235. Okay, so basically I'll tell you what's actually happening in my throughout the day. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so basically, as I already told you from the last too many videos that I woke up at 3 a.m. Okay, so as usual, today I also woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning, and after that, I, I when the time of 3 a.m. I laid down to the bed. On the same time, I woke up and I stand on the first, and after that, basically I sat up beside the cooler as well as I situated my chair at the right place throughout my table, and after that I started studying. Basically, I want to woke up at Brahm Muhurat. I still don't know what we call Brahm Muhurat in English. I'll translate very soon. Okay, so I want to woke up at the Brahm Muhurat, and I want to study on that time. So basically, this is the thing which was I actually done on that day. Okay, so after that, let me tell you Sunday plan. Basically, 28th July it's a Sunday. Okay, so in Sunday there is something different from the other days. Okay, now in your mind the question was arise that what's special in Sunday which I don't do in the another day. Basically, the thing is simple. The in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I done my. I study the subjects. I try to complete my syllabus, understanding the concepts, as well as practicing. Also practicing the questions and understanding. This is the normal day routine. But in Sunday, I revise all the subjects notes. I done revision, and after that I try to do mock test, written test, oral test, and trying to do previous year questions and MCQ and model test paper. Okay, so basically I do, and but before after waking up 3 a.m. I started studying. But first I have completed one of the chapters. There is only a short part were remaining. After that, first I completed that concept, and after that I done all the things of the special what I had done in Sunday. I have done throughout the whole day. Okay, I revised the all the notes. Okay, throughout the whole day, and practice the questions. Basically, this is a thing in case of a study which I actually do. Okay, so after that I didn't done too much thing. After that I researched some chairs for sitting for the long hours. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was actually happened and around 9 a.m. Okay, around 9 a.m. I went to the ground floor, and after that I done usual activities like maybe I went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about that on the time, but uh, I washed my mouth. After that, I had taken the bath, and after that, I worshipped in a very proper manner. Okay, so after that, I ate food. Wait, guys. Yeah, and after that, I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day, as I already told you the what's my Sunday strategy, and I had done. Maybe something was maybe something was skipped throughout the whole this routine. The like MTP model test paper maybe skipped. So basically something will be skipped. Sorry, something maybe were skipped on today. So yeah, so after that at the time of evening I ate food. Okay, and I went for the sleep. I went for the sleep very soon, just because that I have to woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning. So that's why I went for the sleep very soon. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today, and I hope you really understand clear what actually I'm trying to tell you. Okay, if you really understand this video from this video, and if you learned something, and your listening practices happen, then kindly please like some videos, because if you like some videos really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So Basically, let me tell you, after completing my daily routines video, I daily learn 5 or 10 vocabulary. So I'm going to learn 5 or 10 vocabulary. Okay, so let's start. So our first word is workload. Workload means, guys, karya bhar. I have too much workload, so don't try to disturb me. You can't understand how pressurized right now I am actually. Second word is enormous. Vishal. I know that is very enormous. When I looked there, that was totally, I thought that was totally fascinating. I can't tell you my expression, what actually happened on that time. Third word is propaganda. Propaganda means, guys, प्रचार करना. Too many celebrities done propaganda of the bad companies. Like, I don't want to take name this. We can also say that the gambling apps, you know. So yeah. Fourth word is therefore. Therefore means, guys, इसलिए. I've done all the plannings and all the things were organized. You are happy. Therefore, all the decorators came here for decorating all the things. Maybe I think here is something wrong in this example, but I don't think, maybe there is something wrong in this example. Okay, so let me make another example. Therefore he went there to doing the that work. The last word is keep. Keep means, guys, rakhna. Okay, right now I don't need this, so kindly please you keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. So basically, this is the our 5 words we have learned actually. Okay, so I but you knew that my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes, but we have completed only 7 minutes 28 seconds. So I have to speak with you till 10 minutes. So I think that let's revise some vocabularies which we have learned in the past. Okay, so whenever, जब कभी भी, estimate, अनुमान, concern means चिंता, realize, एहसास, spoil, खराब करना, garbage, कचरा, repeat, दोहराना, street, गली, strike, हड़ताल, overcome, काबू पाना. Okay, wait, guys. Yeah. So greedy, lalchi, behavior, व्यवहार, blessings, आशीर्वाद, एंटी नेशनल देशद्रोही, रिग्रेट, पछतावा, बास्केट, टोकरी, होल्ड, पकड़ना, साइलेंट, चुपचाप, अरेंजमेंट, इंतजाम, ऑफन, अक्सर, केयरफुली, संभाल कर, डेकोरेट, सजाना, रिटिस, संस्कार, कॉपीकैट्स, नकलची, डियर, हिरन, बियर, भालू, ऑलवेज, ऑलवेज, ऑलवेज हमेशा, टेल, पूछ, सेंट, साधु, टाई, बांधना, यूनिटी, एकता, बीक, चोंच, क्रूअल, निर्दयी, स्लेव, गुलाम, सडनली, अचानक, एनकाउंटर, सामना करना, एडवाइस, सलाह देना, ट्रेजर, खजाना, टैप, नल, कक्कू, कोयल, क्विल्ट, रजाई, कैप, ढक्कन, क्राउड, भीड़, वांडर, घूमना, वंडर, आश्चर्य, र्यूमर, अफवाह, क्लाउन, जोकर, कंपेल्ड, मजबूर, मैनर, तरीका, लेमनेड, नींबू पानी, कैजुअल, अनौपचारिक, ड्राई, सूखा, ब्रास, पीतल, स्पिटॉन्स, थूकदान, सीजर, कैंची, पिगी बैंक, गुल्लक, ट्रंकर, शराबी, वेयरहाउस, गोदाम, ग्राम फ्लोर, बेसन, रिटेन, बनाए रखना, पेबल्स, कंकर, सेफ, दराज, शौक, हैरानी, किडनी बीन्स राजमा, सौरव दुख, टनल सुरंग, इंट्रोवर्ट शर्मिंदा, चैटरबॉक्स बातूनी, रूड बदतमीज, क्विकली जल्दी से. So basically guys, I think it's enough for today. So let's end the video guys. Siri Radhe. Bye bye.